How to turn off team invites on Brawl Stars. The first things first, before we go directly into the tutorial, all you have to do first is make sure that you're running or using the updated version of Brawl Stars. Just simply go to your Play Store and go directly to your search bar by typing in Brawl Stars. Now in here you should be able to know if your Brawl Stars needs an updating because there's gonna be a visible update button right there. All you have to do to update it is just simply tap on update and it will automatically update by itself. Now once everything is updated, just pull up your Brawl Stars application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're here, all you have to do next is just by simply tapping on the three lines located at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now from here, just go directly to the settings and the mute team invites should be visible right here. So if you would like to turn it off, just simply tap it and it will change the color to red. So that's going to be from green to red and this is already turned off. So that's it. That's how you turn off team invites on Brawl Stars.